Welcome to the Drunk Linux User. I'm Len. I am the Drunk Linux User. And I've been noticing recently on a lot of different message boards that people either new to Linux or have upgraded or updated their systems, and now they're finding that they're having problems getting their theming consistent between different types of systems, such as GTK themes versus Flatpaks and Libadwaita. I'm going to show you how you can get into Flatpak and make the changes that you need. You are limited as to what you can do with Libadwaita, however. It's new. There's not much in the theming ways to be able to make that perfect, but I can show you a way to be able to get around some of it. So I'm going to go over to desktop. I've already got my terminal set up because we're going to have to get our hands dirty. Now, to find out what GTK themes are available on this page, they give you a nice little code here, which I'm going to copy, and I'm going to paste into the terminal. Wow, that was cool. That never happened before. Paste. Oh, I hit the wrong button, that's why. And then you're going to see a very long list of themes that are already put in there. You can see there's a lot of Yaru in there. Cougar, I think, is one. Let's pick something that is completely different, and we'll go with something I haven't added yet, and we'll make it, let's see, something really different. We're going to copy from where it says org.gtk and then the name of the theme. We're going to copy that. We're going to come all the way back down. Maybe that's the theme I'm using, right? And right here, you can see that there is a command that you can use that says flatpak install flat hub and then a space. And what you're going to do is you can either right click and paste, or you can use shift control and V to drop that in there. System says, hey, I found it. Do you want to install it? You can either type a Y and enter, or just hit the enter key and it will install. Now, it doesn't tell you on this page, but on this page, if you scroll down, it tells you how to tell Flatpaks which themes to use. I've already got this highlighted. It's sudo flatpak override and then the environmental areas right here. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to paste it in. And the theme that I copied from up here was, my gosh, I actually forgot what it was. Oh, it's down here. See, mint Y dark purple. So I'm going to type that in. I'm going to type in mint -Y -dark -purple. Now, before I do that, I want to show you that I've already got Graybird installed. This is a Flatpak program. It's called Flat Seal. Gives you great permission access for all your Flatpaks. And you can see it's all set up for Graybird. I'm going to close this out. I'm going to go ahead in the terminal and hit enter. Put in my password. Ta-da! Okay, so now when I open up Flat Seal, yes, it helps if you're in the right place, eh? Okay, there we go. It's changed that Flatpak theme to match mint Y dark purple. But that's not what I want. I'm going to go back to the other one. So I'm going to type in the previous. I'm just going to hit the arrow key to go up in the terminal. Oh, I went too far. I can just type it in from here. Maybe equals, and then I'm going to type in Graybird. Okay, so now when I open up Flat Seal, I don't know what I'm typing. There we go. We're back to the Graybird theme. All is good in the world. All right, so let's clear out of this so it's not so confusing anymore. And show you that you're going to have to make a choice as to how you want to set up your Libadwaita apps. Now, for example, software in Ubuntu, it's just a light color. You're going to have a choice, light or dark, and I'm going to show you how to make that choice. You go here on this page, copy, bring it over and paste. Now, let me bring this up so that you can actually see this, make the change. This one actually works instantaneously, whereas in the Flatpaks, if you have a Flatpak program open, you're going to have to close it and bring it back up to see the changes. But this is immediate. And if you take a look at it and you go, not for me, okay. Arrow up key again, backspace, type in light, voila. So those are your choices as in how to try to get your theming as close as possible with Flatpaks and Libadwaita. Granted, it may not be perfect. You may have run across a theme that is completely different from anything that FlatHub has on their repositories right now, but that doesn't mean that somebody isn't going to come along and put that theme up later. So just keep checking, and now you can make sure that your desktop looks nice and consistent. Again, this is the standard Graybird. I talked about this once before. I'll show you what it looks like. It's not bad, highly usable. This is the default icon set. This is how the windows look under the light mode. I did mention you got to do this with two different programs in XFCE, but the dark theme is not bad. So if you wanted to go with a dark, then you would just use the dark theme. But for what I'm going to be working on today, I do need the light theme on. And close all that stuff out. And we are back to normal, at least for the moment. So this is how you can change your Flatpaks and your Libadwaita programs to match what you have on your system. I hope this has helped. And thanks for watching. End this with our words of wisdom as always. Don't drive drunk, don't drink and drive, don't go to Amazon, eBay, or use MS Edge shopping all buzzed up thinking you're going to buy the latest, greatest, and coolest stuff, because you're probably not. And in the meantime, bottoms up. Later, dudes.